Our gut, also known as the gastrointestinal tract, consists of a lengthy pathway that starts from the mouth to the anus. It houses a community of microorganisms known as the gut microbiome, which consists of bacteria, fungi, and viruses. This microbiome helps with breaking down food, producing essential nutrients, and influencing various aspects of our health. This delicate balance of this ecosystem contributes to our overall health. But when you have an imbalanced gut microbiome, it can lead to digestive disorders such as bloating and constipation, and it doesn't stop there. Gut health affects our mental health, immune function, and susceptibility to various diseases as well. Microorganisms in the gut actually interact with different body systems. You might have heard the gut being referred to as the second brain. This is because it maintains a strong connection with the central nervous system through the gut-brain axis. This communication occurs through chemical, hormonal, and physical pathways. For instance, did you know that the gut microbiome produces neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which influence our mood and behavior? In fact, approximately 95% of the body's serotonin, often referred to as the happy hormone, is produced in the gut. We also have what we call the hypothalamus-pituitary-adrenal axis, which responds to gut bacteria, and this impacts stress responses. The vagus nerve, on the other hand, establishes a physical link between the gut and brain, regulating functions like digestion, heart rate, and immune responses. Approximately 70% of immune cells reside in the gut, engaging in continuous interactions with gut bacteria. So, an imbalanced gut microbiome has the potential to compromise the immune system's ability to produce immune cells and antibodies, and this will then affect your body's defense against infections. So what should you be adding and what should you be avoiding when it comes to your gut health? Let's talk about it. Start by incorporating a diverse array of plant-based foods. Aim for a weekly intake of 30 different plants, including fruits, vegetables, legumes, grains, and nuts. This will encourage the growth of various beneficial bacteria in the gut. The diversity of plant-based foods contributes to a balanced and thriving gut microbiome. Also, rather than sticking to a consistent diet, start embracing a variety of foods daily. Keep in mind that restoring your gut microbiota varies for each person depending on your lifestyle and underlying conditions. But typically, your microbiome may begin to change within days, while for others it may take months. The biggest way to tell if your gut is healing is when your energy and vitality have returned, you've regained mental clarity, your mood has improved, you've returned to your ideal weight, and you feel like your best self. Also, aim for a daily fiber intake of 30 grams. Fiber is a non-digestible carbohydrate that acts as a prebiotic and fuels the growth of beneficial bacteria in the colon. Here's a tip to help you achieve this goal. Consume 5 servings of fruits and vegetables daily, incorporate whole grains into meals, and choose snacks with seeds, nuts, and dried fruits. These will collectively contribute to a fiber-rich diet that supports your gut function. Another thing to consider is the incorporation of probiotics. Probiotics, whether through foods or supplements, introduce live microorganisms that enhance the population of beneficial bacteria in the gut. Make sure you choose reputable probiotic sources and be mindful of product freshness to ensure their benefits. Lastly, include 2 servings of oily fish weekly, such as salmon and mackerel. These are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, foster the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, and help control inflammation. Did you know that these omega-3 fatty acids also support brain function? Yes, omega-3 fatty acids give membranes fluidity and elasticity, allowing brain cells to easily pass neurotransmitters, hormones, and proteins back and forth. The human brain is approximately 66% fat, and about 20% of that fat is omega-3. Cells can turn omega-3 fatty acids into powerful anti-inflammatory molecules, allowing the brain to heal from trauma, infection, and oxidation or metabolic damage. For vegetarians, alternative sources like flaxseed or omega-3 supplements provide the same benefits. Now let's talk about what you should avoid. First, reduce your red meat consumption. While red meat is a great protein source, metabolites produced during its breakdown are associated with increased risks of cardiovascular disease and certain cancers. Research shows that limiting red meat intake to 3 portions per week reduces potential adverse effects on your gut health. Processed foods. It's so prevalent in today's convenience-oriented diet, but it poses many challenges to your gut health, not to mention the additives and preservatives that hinder the natural growth of beneficial gut bacteria contained in these foods. Going for whole, unprocessed alternatives ensures the preservation of a healthy gut microbiome and supports your overall digestive health. Artificial sweeteners commonly found in diet products are another thing you need to avoid. These sweeteners disrupt the body's response mechanisms, leading to increased insulin production. Try natural sweeteners or reduce your sweetener intake for a more gut-friendly diet. Lastly, limit counting your calories. While counting calories is common for weight management, it does not provide any nutritional value. Calories alone do not reflect the richness of dietary choices. When you only focus on calories, you may end up overlooking essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and fiber, important for the health of both your gut and the entire body. Always remember that there are potential inaccuracies in food labeling and many variations in caloric absorption, including food preparation methods. Take this example. A medium-sized serving of McDonald's fries may have similar caloric content to a balanced meal of chicken, vegetables, and whole grains, yet their nutritional profiles differ significantly. So be more holistic and focus on mindful eating instead. So as we conclude this video, I hope that you can keep this in mind, that your gut and the rest of your body systems can always sense each other's discomfort. Conditions affecting the digestive system may consequently involve the other, and vice versa. Focus on taking care of your gut health, and it will take care of you. Thank you for watching. If you would like to support us, subscribe now to stay updated on the latest videos, insightful discussions, and exciting content. Don't miss out on the fun. Hit that subscribe button and engage with us to be a part of the conversation. Your voice matters, and we can't wait to share this journey with you.